Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are making an easy chocolate and vanilla marble cake that you will absolutely salivate for. In my previous video, I shared the recipe of a vanilla sponge cake, so if you haven't seen it yet, be sure to check it out. Today, we'll focus on making a chocolate sponge cake and then combine it with the vanilla to create a stunning marble effect. Let's start by separating the egg whites from the yolks. In a bowl, take 3 egg whites and beat them for about 45 seconds. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and continue beating for another 35 seconds. Next, sift 80 grams of sugar and add it to the egg whites in 3 batches, beating each time until you achieve stiff peaks. Stiff peaks are crucial for a light and airy cake. Now, add a pinch of salt to the egg yolks and beat them well. Carefully fold the yolks into the egg white mixture. Remember, it's important to separate the egg whites from the yolks because the fat in the yolks can prevent the whites from forming properly. In another bowl, sift together 56 grams of flour and 7 grams of corn flour for about 2 to 3 times. This creates a cake flour. Sift and add the flour into the egg mixture in 2 batches, gently folding in without over mixing. Separate bowl, mix 30 ml of milk, 30 ml of oil and half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Sift 15 grams of cocoa powder into this mixture and mix well. It's best to add the cocoa powder separately for better incorporation. Take a small portion of the cake batter and mix it into the cocoa mixture until it's smooth. Then gently fold this chocolate mixture back into the main batter. Be careful not to overmix to keep the cake light and fluffy. Meanwhile, I've already prepared the vanilla sponge cake batter and the recipe for that is available on my channel. Now it's time to create the marble effect. Take a lined cake tin and start by adding 1 scoop of chocolate batter to the center, followed by a scoop of vanilla batter. Continue alternating until you reach the desired height of your cake. Here, I'm making 2 cakes. Give the cake a gentle tap to remove any air bubbles. Bake it in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. And there you have it, our beautiful marble cake is ready. It's incredibly soft, spongy, and the marble effect makes it look stunning. Now let's cut a slice, taste it, and enjoy it warm. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed making this delicious marble cake as much as I did. Your support means a lot to me and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. If you love this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye.